did you make for us today?
First I made chocolate chip muffins, and then I made chocolate chip cookies, and I have something in the middle to like fancy it.
Oh.
And we have two glass cups of water. They're ice water with my technically homemade coasters.
Yes,
Nice.
very good. I like it. I
All
like
right,
the
now-
glass. I like the glass straws. Ooh, little lemon imprints. Ooh, and let's see these muffins. Yes. Chocolate chip muffins with a nice little brownie display in the middle.
Like a brownie.
Well, first off, your presentation is great. I love your attention to detail of how you staggered these cookies on top of each other.
I tried to make it look kind of like a flower, but I ended up just stacking because I didn't think there was.
I love how you did the same thing on both. It looks very cohesive.
Yeah, so we have more of these, but there's just 5 right now for the presentation because that's a little tray.
Okay. What would you like us to begin with?
I'm just gonna say that you choose because you're the judges. Let's see how they're gonna do this.
Let's see. Yes, I do like the nicely cooked, not too brown, not too raw. Very good. A little toasty on top, a little doughy in the middle. I like that. I do like the presentation, little pamphlets here. Very good. Chocolate chip muffins and the chocolate chip cookies.
Because
Yes,
I was
yes.
rushing because it was at the end, so I was gonna make it cursive, but
Looks good.
I was rushing.
All right, let's
Okay.
start with the muffin.
Okay.
Should we
So just
grab
yeah,
one?
muffin.
Okay, we'll split it.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, very good inside.
Wow,
Nicely
very
cooked,
soft.
very even. Let's see how these taste.
Wow.
Very soft. Nicely cooked. Not too
What you
sweet.
like and what you don't like.
Not too sweet. Good amount of chocolate chip in there. Very good.
It just falls apart in your mouth.
Very healthy.
Very nice.
Okay, let's get one of these cookies in here.
Don't forget to take a drink of your waters.
Yes.
Yes, very good.
Ice cold.
Okay,
Very nice.
let's try these cookies.
Whoa.
Very good cookies. Are these organic?
I think so.
Yes, I can taste it.
Wow. They're crispy on the outside, but
Yeah.
soft on the inside.
Yes, yes.
They're very fluffy.
Very good. I can feel my muscles growing. Is there protein powder in here?
Yeah.
Wow. Very good.
These are so good. I really think you hit
It's
a home run.
flaxseed.
You hit a home run today on both of these
I,
recipes.
Say what you like and think.
I
what
think-
could do better.
I think the only thing I would do better is you have some pieces falling off here. You think you maybe used a little bit too much oil on that one. Maybe did some oil spill in there on accident.
Oh, I don't
I
care.
don't
Yeah, but some people like it.
I like it like that.
know.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Claire. Really good job today.
Talk privately when I leave.
Okay, we're gonna
Thank you,
discuss.
Claire.
Okay.
Say
Well.
thank you, Claire.
Okay. Thank you, Claire.
Thank you.
Well, yes, she did a good job on this. She seemed a little nervous, being her first time, but she did pretty good, pretty confident.
I just want to eat the rest of my hand.
Yeah, me too. I just want to keep eating on and on, but I'm just gonna stop eating it. You think she'll know if I just start eating this one right here and the whole thing? Okay, well,
Yes.
just wait till later. Okay. You think if I just shove some of these in my pocket, think she'll know if I take some for later? We'll see. Okay. All right, Claire, come back in here. Okay, we had some discussions, and we think that you are one of our top competitors. And what do you want to say?
I don't think we need to vote.
Well, I
You
worked
are the
really
winners
hard.
today. Congratulations, Claire.
Thank you. I tried.
Good job,
I kept,
Claire.
like,
Keep up the good work.
Keep up the good work.
okay.
Okay.